and people who live here love it. This is a barrier beach. A barrier beach goes all the way out to Montauk Point, believe it or not. Practically, it stops a little bit before Montauk. And there's a bay on the other side. Today's 90 already, and it's going to be hotter. And my face is nicely tan, my arms are tan, so a truck driver tan. I'm walking around doing videos, but my legs are kind of white, so I don't want to be in pain with my legs and the rest of my body. So I'm probably only going to stay out for about an hour. That'll probably be enough sun. And this is the hottest day we've had so far. We've had a lot of cold weather this year, and a lot of rain. Hear the air conditioner banging away. Everybody's running their AC today. These people are very nice. They do anything for you. There's a bike. I wanted to get a hamburger on the beach for lunch. They have those at Jones Beach. I remember those as a kid, but we'll see how far the place is here. She said it's kind of far. She may not know how much I walk anyway. So this is Rockaway. It's a ghetto made up of cops and firefighters. Bikes, e-scooters. Now we get out on the beach, see what the beach is like. This is the boardwalk, huh? Yeah, that's where the food place is down there, I guess. Also, my camera doesn't like to eat that much. When it gets really hot, black in color, so it just shuts down. So as I say, I'm only going to take about a half hour of this, or an hour. There's some more people walking. Since everybody's a cop or firefighter around here, it's usually kind of safe. There's a jetty, a couple of lifeguard stands, and we'll walk down. Beth Ann says walk close to the water. Okay. Gets cooler as you get close to the water, I suppose. Carry an umbrella and a chair. They end up carrying a chair, a blanket, or a towel each time. Compliments of Amazon. When I was a young child, sand is sort of brown here, not white like Jones Beach. Interesting. There's a breeze here. Coming off the water. There's some beach patrol here. I see the tracks. All right, we're at the beach. This is where the high tide mark is. It's not high tide now, it's low tide. You can see it's a foggy day. Can't see too far out. It was right here, they're in the water. We're gonna stop recording right now. This is some of the apartments in Rockaway. Beth Ann, who you met earlier in the video, is a daughter of an Irish immigrant who came here to the U.S. in the 20s and got a job as a subway operator. And he came out here and found a house that was cheap enough for him to buy, bought the house out here, and all his kids bought similar houses out here as well. And you can see how someone from Ireland would really like this area because it reminds them of Ireland. Ireland is surrounded by water and oceans. And Rockaway is the same way. You have they're feet away, 100 yards away from the Atlantic Ocean. What a beautiful place. It's getting hot as hell here, and it's time to go back.